it may not be clear that a career in IT can incorporate any creativity. How would you convince someone that this is not the case? What are the creative aspects of computer science?
One reason that it's extremely creative is in areas like security. There's a need for people to be able to see things in different ways, both within the area of security and how security balances, for example, access and risk, and also each company that the IT professional is looking at in terms of security is a different animal. It needs to be addressed in a new creative way in terms of what their needs are.
Hi, my name is Carrie, and we talked a little bit about IT from the perspective of product design as well as entry into a number of different industries such as entertainment, sports, etc. So things like John Adams will look scribbly on the TV and being able to see what's the next down.
If you were talking to an 18 or 24-year-old, what is a day in the life of an IT executive like that would be inspiring?
Inspiring about that day is that today is like it was yesterday, nor will tomorrow be. It's ever-changing, it's constantly evolving. You have the opportunity to be part of a solution rather than part of the problem. And lastly, you have the ability to innovate on behalf of the business.
You still have a sense of team, and you're no longer the lone wolf or the warrior going out to attack a problem or a situation.
This sounds like it could be a pretty exciting profession. What about the stereotypes? What do we do to bust them?
One thing that we add very close to that, but business people, a lot of successful IT people may have been business people first in today's age, and/or they are quickly becoming business people.
All right, so if we make the point that these are business people, we start to bust that stereotype. What are the traits I should encourage you to have if you're going to be good in IT?
Several traits are important. One that I thought was unique to IT is a really good math background, good math skills. But beyond that, I don't think these traits are unique to IT. You have to be a good listener, a problem solver, open-minded, flexible. You have to have a good sense of organizational structure. You have to be inquisitive and have intellectual curiosity.
What about question 5? How can a choice for a career in IT be a choice for some form of social revolution?
To be and to create change, you have to change from the inside, not the outside. And we want to be creators of technology, not consumers. And by creating, you can steer the course and therefore create change. Computer science skills give you the power to change the world because you can network. Not only network personally, but globally. Someone here right now can talk to someone in Egypt and disseminate some information that can create change that can impact all our lives. So basically, computer skills are like a giant wrench for worldwide problems.
The question is, offshoring and outsourcing is a reality, although not a reason not to pursue a career in IT. What are the positive ways that offshoring and outsourcing can influence your career?
If we take programming and send it overseas, there has to be testing and validation done on the programming. So for the people that we have back here to have the skill set to learn the management of those types of things would be a positive thing.
What are the top 10 reasons a career in IT is better than a career in accounting?
And I actually have experience being an accountant for more than 2 years, and it's very boring.
Accounting is boring. Let's take it up here. Accounting is boring.
Accounting is almost like a spectator sport. It's after the fact, seeing what happened. IT makes it happen.
Joe Phillips, you don't go to prison for making a mistake?
You don't go to